Morning students. Assalamualaikum. Exercise 3.1, question number 6 up to question number 5 we have done the last class. Now we will go to the question number 6. If you observe, the question is find the values of x, y, z from the following equation. Now if you observe, in all three questions the two matrices are equal. Two matrices are equal. Two matrices are equal. In all the cases, the condition is given same. Now, we will do the examples one by one, not together. First, I will solve question number 1. This will be homework. Very simple. Second one I will do. Now, second one, I will write the matrix first. X plus y, 2, 5 plus z, 5 plus z. X, y is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Now what is given here? Equal matrix. The matrices are equal. Now go back to the definition of equal matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders and elements are same. If their orders and elements are same. Now what is here? X plus y is equal to, what is respective element here? 6. Now, next 2 is equal to 2. Okay, leave it, no need. 5 plus z. 5 plus z is equal to respective element 5. Now, x, y. X, y, respective element 8. Now it's very simple to simplify. X plus y. Using x plus y, I will find value of y. 6 minus x. 6 minus x. Okay. Now, suppose this is equation number 1. Z is equal to 5 minus 5. Get cancelled. Z is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now, x, y is equal to 8. We cannot simplify this. I will take this as equation number 3. Using x plus y is equal to 6, I got the value of 6 minus x, y value. Using this, I got z value. Z is equal to 0. We got z value. Now xy is equal to 8, it is not possible to find, so I will keep that as equation number 3. Now put equation 1. Put equation 1 in equation 3. क्योंकि यहाँ पे equation 2 है, already z की वैल्यू आ चुकी है, no need to disturb it. Now using equation 1 and 3, we have to find the value of x and y. Z value we got. अब हमको चाहिए x and y. To get the value of x and y, what are we doing? Put in y value in equation 3. Put equation 1 in equation 3. See what we will get here. X, y is equal to 8. X, y is equal to 8. Now x, y value. What is y value? 6 minus x is equal to 8. Now we will simplify this. 6 into x, 6x minus x into x square is equal to 8. Now we will write this term on the other side. What we have done, we have taken equation 1 in equation 3. Equation 1 x, y, equation 3 x, y is equal to 8. What is 1? 6 minus x. Simplified 6x minus x square. Now put this value here. Take these values here. What it becomes? Minus x square becomes plus x square. Plus 6x becomes minus 6x. Already 8 is here. So plus 8 is equal to 0. Minus x square becomes plus x square. Plus 6x becomes minus 6x. Already 8 is there. Now make the factors of 8 such that we should get minus 6. What are the factors, students? Yes, minus 4, minus 2. Minus into minus plus 4 into 2, 8. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Now x is minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 4. Minus 2 is common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x minus 4. What is common here? X minus 4. What will remain? X minus 2 is equal to 0. Now x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. X is equal to x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. Put x equal to 4 in equation 1 or 3. You get the value of y. We need value of x, value of y, value of z. Z value we got here. Just we have taken for namesake equation number 2. Even if you don't take, then also it's okay. We needed equation 1 and 3 to simplify. Z value already we got. We got x value also. We need y value. Put x value. Put x equal to 4 in equation 1. Y minus y is equal to 6 minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus 4. What is y value here? Now, if you observe here, 6 minus 4, y value we got as 2. Also, put x equal to 2 in equation 1. What is it? What is that equation? See, y is equal to 6 minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus 2. 6 minus x. What we got? 6 minus 2. So y is equal to 4. So we got x value. We got y value. If sometimes 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 4, 8. Here also, sorry, this question. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Just orally check it. If it is not satisfying the equation, then the resultant will be the answer does not valid. Just orally हमको check करना है. 4 plus 2 6. Yes, possible. Both are correct. 2 plus 4. Both are valid answers. If it is not valid, then we have to write the value is invalid or doesn't exist. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 1 is in homework. Question number 2 I have completed. Now moving to the question number 3. Wait a minute. Now students, you will see question number 3. Now we will see question number 3. See here, x plus y plus z is equal to 9. X plus z is equal to 5. Respective element, because it is given equal matrix. Because it is given equal matrix, respective elements we have to write. Y plus z is equal to 7. Now, suppose this has equation 1. Suppose this has equation 2, suppose this has equation 3. Put equation 2 in equation 1. Put equation 2 in equation 1. Now x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Now what is equation 1? What is equation 2? X plus z is equal to 5. X plus z. कितना है उसका वैल्यू? 5. Observe carefully. X plus z. Now उसका value 5. What is remaining still? Yes, student. What is remaining? Y is equal to 9. Now y is equal to 9 minus 5. What we will get here? 9 minus 5 means y equal to 4. We got first value. Now put equation 3 in 1. Put equation 3 in 1. What is equation 3? Y plus z is equal to 7. See here, x plus y plus z is equal to 9. What is equation 3? Y plus z is equal to 7. Now, y plus z is equal to 7. What is remaining? X is equal to 9. Now, x is equal to 9 minus 7. That gives us x is equal to 2. X is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. We got the value of y, we got the value of x. Now we need value of z. So either you put x value here or you put y value here, you will get the value of z. Now put x equal to 2 in equation number 2. This value I am putting in equation 2. X plus z is equal to 5. X value 2 plus z as it is 5. Z is equal to 5 minus 2. Z is equal to 5 minus 2. We got the value of x, y, z. Okay, one more thing. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. Just check orally. No need to substitute in your work or in your answer sheet or in your class. Just check orally. For your confirmation whether you are getting the answer right or not. So these are the examples of question number 6. First one is in homework, very simple. You will get the answer. No need of simplification like this for first one. 4 is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. 3 is equal to z, z is equal to 3. X equal to 1, that's it. Very simple. Now, we will move to the next question. Take it. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Question number 7. Find the values of A, B, C and D from the equation A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 3C plus D. Minus 1, 5, 0, 13. कौन सा? Now, these two matrices are given as equal matrix. A minus B is equal to minus 1. You stand here. Sir will come, you stand here. 2A plus C is equal to 5. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. Now, 2A minus B is equal to 0. A minus B is equal to minus 1. 2A plus C is equal to 5. 2A minus B is equal to equation number 3. 3C plus D is equal to 30. Now, from 1 and 2, A minus B is equal to minus 1, 2A plus C is equal to 5. It is not possible to find any value here because the unknowns are not same. Here it is A, here also it is A, but here it is B, here it is C. So unknowns should be same, otherwise we cannot find the values. What are the unknowns here? A and B. What are the unknowns here? A and B. So we can use equation number 1 and 3. We can't use 1 and 2. We can't use 1 and 4. Unknowns should be same. Now we will solve it. A minus B is equal to minus 1. 2A minus B is equal to 0. Now change the sign. Here it is plus, minus. Here it is minus, plus. Here it is plus, minus. A plus minus B plus B. Cancel. A minus 2A minus 1 minus 0. A minus 2A minus A. Minus 1 minus 0 minus plus. What is remaining? A value 1. Now put A is equal to 1 in equation 1. See here, A minus B is equal to minus 1. 1 minus B is equal to minus 1. Minus B is equal to already minus 1. Write plus 1 this side. Minus 1. Minus B. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus plus. B is equal to 2. Now we got A value. We got B value. from 2 and 4. Like 1 and 2, 2 and 4. Which of the values we are getting? If you observe, students. Yes? A is not present. C, yes, C is present. But here it is D, here it is A. So once again, we cannot solve the equation 2 and 4. Like 1 and 2, we cannot solve 2 and 4. Now what we have to do in this case is, put a value. Put a value. What is a value? 1 in equation 2. 2a plus c is equal to 5. 2 into 1 plus c is equal to 5. C is equal to 5 minus 2. 2 into 1, 2. I am writing that 2 on the other side. C is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. Very simple. Now, put which value we have to put here? 3c plus d. Which value? D value to get the c value, or c value to get the d value. It's very simple. A lower primary student can understand. Already we got c value. If we put c value here, we get the value of d. C value 3 in equation 4. What is that? 3c plus d is equal to 13. 3 into 3 plus d is equal to 13. 3 into 3, 9 plus d is equal to 13. D is equal to 13 minus 9. D is equal to 13 minus 9. We got A value, B value, C value, D value. We got all the values. This is very simple, and our examples are very important for 3 marks. Very, very important. Hope everybody can understand this question.